I'm getting a bit of a bug here. Please fix. Thank you. So we got AI just grooving all day for us, which is nice. Got it, Moon. The issue is that the backtesting framework self.data.close is already in an array. Nice. All right, here we go. I don't want all these though. You can see some of the debug prints. Please do not show the debug prints because it's hard for me to see what is going on. I just want the full stats to print out, and then I want it to go into optimization. So it should run the original backtest, print out the full full stats, and then I want it to go ahead and optimize and then print out the full stats again. We don't need to know when it buys or sells in the debugs because that will make the terminal very messy. I'm using it as a side thing. Main thing is strategy and try to automate. Nice, dude. Which AI do you use? I use Claude. Sonnet 4. I use some GPT. Oh, I also use ChatGPT as well. But for the most part, I use Claude Sonnet 4 inside of Cursor. That's where I use that's where I usually am. You can make it backtest too. Yeah, dude. That's what I'm doing right now, actually. Okay, there we go. So you can see that it's still printing out some of the lines though, and we don't want that. So Moondev's Kalman Bollinger Band strategy. Kalman's. Don't print that. And don't print that. Okay. Yeah, dude. You got to make it backtest. Okay, so you can see here the strategy doesn't work. Why? Because the profit factor is under 1. Expectancy is negative 0.83. So that strategy doesn't work how it is right now. Exposure time is unbelievable. Return is 11%, negative 11%, and the buy and hold is negative 8%. So that strategy is not working, dude, for that time frame. Do I want it to optimize? I'm not even going to optimize it because it's not even close. So let's go ahead and try some other data here because that was 1 minute over 5 weeks. Some funny bunny data. So let's try Solana data here, copy path. This is daily data for 1,000 weeks. So an entirely different test. 5 weeks, 1 minute versus 1,000 weeks of daily. It's crazy difference. But this is the game. And one time I had somebody email me, be like, yo, Moondev, this stuff doesn't work. Algo trade doesn't work, dude. He is like, I tested 10 strategies. I back tested them and only one worked. I was like, congrats, bro. That's fire. 10%. So just have your expectations straight that if it was super easy to find winning strategies, like this is totally just an idea I just pulled out my ass for today. And you know, if it was super easy to find winning strategies, everybody would do this and everybody would be billionaires. So you can see this one's better here, 0.88 profit factor, expectancy negative still. So it's a losing strategy. So I'm gonna keep it pushing. I'm gonna keep it pushing, dude. I'm gonna keep it pushing. Let's see what it does on the optimization just because it is a little quicker. It looks to be a little quicker. Help me generate an idea to use the Kalman filter for a short only strategy. And then let's go ahead and Yeah, give me your top 3 ideas, and then I will decide which one we want to go ahead and build. So this is now optimizing. These results should be better, but it's a little tricky with optimization. You don't want to over optimize. Like if you optimize long enough, you'll find something that's good, and that's like it's a double-edged sword. It's like it makes you feel good, but all right. So this one is profitable here. You can see a 1.24 profit factor, a 0.7 expectancy here. These are the optimal parameters here. Sharp ratio is only 0.34. The return's crazy, 1,383%. So we did find a profitable one, which is cool. That was 1 out of 2, and that was very quick. But I also want to look into some other ideas. Now you've seen all the code, just to make sure you have all the code. Screenshot it, whatever. And this could be interesting. It could be interesting to look deeper into. Let's go ahead and read through these. Kalman mean reversion sniper. Use the Kalman filter to create a dynamic fair value baseline. How it works. Kalman filter creates a smooth trend representing true short signal when the above price deviates significantly above the Kalman fair value. I actually like that. Why it rocks. Catches overextended moves that are likely to snap back. Kalman momentum killer. Use the Kalman filter to detect when uptrend momentum is dying. How it works. Apply Kalman to price, then calculate the slope slash rate of change of the filtered trend. Short signal when Kalman slope turns negative while price is still elevated. Edge catches trend reversals early before they become obvious. Kalman RSI divergence hunter. How it works. Kalman smooth both price and RSI looking for bearish divergences. These all sound great. Please build all 3 of these files and look at this BB down file to have a template essentially. You know how the data's set up, you know how we need to accept multiple headers, etc. So go ahead and build all 3 of those files for me. Thank you. Okay, what do you mean by that, Moondev? That you using Claude Sonnet 4 inside Cursor AI? Please explain, brother. Well, it's Claude Sonnet 4 is right here inside of Cursor AI. So this is my IDE where you code stuff, and Claude Sonnet 4 is right here. It's because I use this tool called Cursor. If you don't know of it, it is like Visual Studio Code, but with AI implemented. And it's in Chinese. It's in Chinese because do I live in China? No, I don't. What's up, Art777, bro? Much love to you. Good to see you, dude. Good to see you, dude. Okay, so now you know how to backtest, dude. You know, definitely get Cursor if you don't have it. It's like $20 a month. It's worth it. So mean reversion here, Kalman mean reversion, and then Kalman momentum killer. So let's go ahead and let her work for a second. Damn, she's moving too. She's moving, she moving, she moving. She constantly moving. She constantly working for us. She's working. She's working. She's working. So we got 3 back tests underway, and we already built one. And this one didn't look awful, honestly. I'm gonna put the data here. Actually, I think this doesn't look too good. This doesn't look good. 99% drawdown. It's not good. It's just a little sneaky because, like I said, you can when you optimize, you can go ahead and make anything look good. So I'm not gonna lie, I love having your videos on. Thank you, bro. I'm currently generating my own alpha strategies for some trading bots. I'm gonna build 777, dude. Thank you, bro. Jay High, much love to you. Okay, so you can see here, your 3 Kalman strategies are ready. So Kalman mean reversion sniper. Okay. It's been real. Don't get involved if you ain't gonna die for it. Take this. I bought some hollow tips for your homeboy. So let's go ahead and try all these. Why not? They're all right here. So let's go ahead and try this one first. Oh, I gotta say accept all. Accept all. Okay, Kalman RSI divergence. Short only strategy using Kalman smooth RSI. Yo, what's up, Trent? Okay, let's go ahead and run this. So nons here. We got nons, and that's no bueno. That's no bueno. That's no bueno. It looks like we got NANs for everything, so that means that there's no trades, so we got to figure out what's happening here. 777 doing a rolling stop. Did you try the task system in here? Yeah, I tried it yesterday. It was dope. It was dope. It was dope. You're absolutely right. No trades means our divergence detection logic is too strict. I would be curious how you use that for algorithmic trading and trading bots. Like that's what I'm really trying to understand, because while it was dope, it was for like SOCOM, you know. So